So what's up everybody, my name is Ralph from TechRS and today I got for you Aoc Agon. Okay, so for today's video we got the Aoc Agon. It's a 27-inch monitor and I will tell you all the specs, all the views, what type of ports it has and the overall looks. So let's jump right into it. So first off, for the overall design, I think the design is really nice. The stand is really good stand, very sleek. The monitor itself, it is all black with red finishes, also on the back. I twist it around. So this is red, it fits really good with my setup, so that's really nice. Also, it is capable of moving up and down, and also you can twist it when you twist it forward, twist it sideways. It is capable of standing at 180 degrees vertically, which I don't use because I use this monitor for gaming. It is a real nice gaming monitor, looks really good. Also you got these fans in the back to make sure the monitor doesn't overheat. That's really good. And then for all the ports that is in here, I'm going to close up the camera a little bit. Okay, so you got your audio in, your audio out. A D-sub, which is used for all the computers. You got a display port, which can go up to 144 Hz, actually 146, but most of the games only do 144. And you got two HDMI's, also capable of 144 Hz, and your DVI port. Then down here you got your power port, two USB 3 ports, and the port which you plug into your computer so you can use those two USB ports. So the USB ports right here are really nice. Me personally, I don't use them because I have enough USB ports in my computer, but you can use these instead of a splitter, which is really nice for like connecting before I had this computer, I had a laptop I used, and I would plug in my keyboard and my mouse in these two, so I used it a lot, so they work really well. I just misspoke myself. I said that down here there was an audio out and a audio in. That is not correct. It was a microphone in and a headphones out, because right here you got your microphone out and your headphone out, as well as another two USB port. One is a USB 3.0 port and one is a USB port with electricity on it. So when you have a device that it can be charged via a USB port, you can use this one. I don't know for what type of tech you use it, but I don't know. I don't use it. Again, I don't use these ports. But if you have a way to use them, be free to do it. Also have a little headphone stand for your headphones. You can put them on here. You can let them rest there, so that's very nice. So then for the size, it is 27 inches in diagonal, 23 in wide and 13 in height. Then for the resolution of this monitor is 2560 pixels wide and 1440 in height. It's a really nice resolution for high quality gaming. I use this in full resolution because I think it's really nice. It also got a quad HD, so the resolution on this monitor is really good. Then for the colors, this monitor is actually capable of displaying 16,770,000 different colors. So that is a lot of colors, practically every color you need. It goes from really white to really dark, and every color looks really nice on this. So that's a big improvement about this monitor. Then again, 144 Hz fast, 1 millisecond response rate. So this is really good for gaming. I use this for gaming, as well as that I use it for my editing and for watching YouTube and stuff like that. For all of these things, really nice monitor, fast. Especially for gaming, I see that this is a really fast monitor and I use it a lot for it. Then you also can set some overall settings in here. You can change the brightness, contrast, your inputs, your outputs, the way you everything want to work, everything. You can change everything from this monitor, from the littlest thing to the most used things. So really nice. You can make it look for your own. You can change temperature as well. So when it's dark at night, you can make sure it's becomes hotter, or that the contrast becomes lower and your brightness becomes lower, so you don't get a headache in the end of the night. You also have a little control panel, which you can set 3 different preset modes. So for example, you get a gaming mode, an editing mode, and a night mode. So you can just click on, for example, number 3 is your night mode. You can just click on 3 and all your settings will go to your night mode setting. Via the control panel, you can also access your menu and your settings, use it. You also got the little arrows you use for your menu, as well as some extra buttons. Then for the viewing angle, you can look at the screen for up to 170 degrees from your side and 160 degrees from top. So again, the viewing range is really big. So you can use it, for example, also as TV, for close TV. Like for example, you set it on the little table in front of your couch. You use this as TV. Everybody that is sitting on the whole couch can look at it, no problem. Really nice. Then also it has a matte finish, so you have no problems with the sun. You can use this monitor outside as well when it's sunny. Most of the people don't use it outside, but for example, I have a window above the setup, so when the sun is shining on it, I can still see what I'm doing. So that's really good. So there's also a fairly quick way to skip source. So for example, when you have your Xbox and your PC, and for example another laptop connected to this monitor, you just press the little button over here, and it will switch between sources, and you can set your source really quickly and really nice. Then for the price of those are priced around $400, so it is a pretty expensive monitor. But for me, I'm a big gamer and editor, so I use it a lot for gaming, and for me, I needed this and I use it a lot. It's really nice for me. I will leave a link to this monitor down in the description, and that was all around. So all around, again, really nice monitor. I use it a lot. I am enjoying it a lot. For me, it was worth it. If you are looking for a lower priced monitor, you can also find those, but for me, this is totally worth it. So that was about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing, leave me a like, leave me a comment, turn on that little bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.